Heading back, you can hear me. Scott's Wild Camper, the wild camping channel for the great outdoors. Right folks, I'm at Creag, Meagaidh with Sinclair. We arrived yesterday. It was getting dark, so we just had a night in the van. It was not enough light to do any hiking. So we're going to try to get to this Corrie again. Tried, was it a year and a half ago? Can't remember exactly, but the wind beat us. So we're going to have another attempt. Sinclair's got a wee bit of a knee problem, so we'll see what happens. Make another attempt anyway. It's just clearing up now. It's been pretty miserable. The drive the way up yesterday, it was fog, the low vis, rain most of the day, so it was a bit miserable yesterday. Forecast today is showers and a wee bit of sunshine in between the showers. But you never know, it could go either way. It's just cleared up literally 10 minutes ago. It's looking nice now, but the forecast is the weather will come in again. But as always, see what happens. Play it by ear and be safe.
Do there, boy.
That's looking back. Very nice. That's over there. And that's what we're walking into. We're not walking up. We're not walking up there. We're walking through the other side of those. Yeah. As I say, we nearly got there last time. So let's see what happens this time.
Well, here comes the slopes.
Up there. Starting to head up now. That's the start of the upway bit. rained there for 5 minutes, just light, and then we're getting blasted with the wind. As I say that, it dies down a bit, but you get the wind in this section, you're exposed. We're getting there. We're in the trees now.
In the tree.
We're in the trees. If I remember right for last time, most of the work in terms of climbing is the start. You know, once we get out of this section, I think, if my memory serves me right, it's still up and downs, don't get me wrong, we're still heading up and then down and up, but this is probably the, you know, the hardest bit. It's not that hard, but this is probably the hardest section, I would say, at the start. Nice views everywhere, so stop a few times then take them. As I already said, this is what you'd call the effort bit. Straight from the car park up the wee hill and then up through the trees here. And once you get to the end of this bit, it's not too bad. And there's the sun out as well. He's having a wee break. He's doing well. He's not been out for over a year. He's got a sore knee. Well, I know about sore knees, but my knees have been okay for quite a while. It's more my foot. Well, that's been okay the last few trips, so touch wood, I'm okay so far. And there you go. That's the end. Didn't take too long, to be honest. That's the end of the tree bit. And we're up there. I can see the path. Swing right in there and into the left, and then I think slightly right. Can't remember. There's the target, that big lump of rock. That's it, that's where we're heading, or we hope to get to. I think we'll make it this time. Sun's coming out again. Raining for about 2 minutes this time. Well, that's good. I thought it was going to be mostly rain with a bit of sunshine, but so far it's the other way around. Mostly dry with a wee bit, very short bits of rain. That's a good combination. I like that one. Tonight I think it's to get sleet. Rain, sleet, snow, something like that tonight. Hopefully we've got our tents up before that. There's another view looking back. There's the river There's the river there, heading up to where we want to go. Excellent. You can't whack it. A bit of snow action. There you go. 10 seconds of snow action here. Right, I better watch. Oh, aye, a wee bit. It's a bit slippy. It's very slippy. I'll make it. It's deep enough. Poles sank in a bit. I'm getting there. Oops. I don't think we'll be going up any bit of slope with snow in it. I couldn't find my spikes, to be honest. I looked for them, but I think we'll find that a wee bit more slippier. Aye. He's alright. He seems to be a bit better balance than me. Oh, I noticed that me and Julie had to wade through the river. Sinclair could dive over the rocks. Good stuff.
Were you pointing the camera?
Aye, camera wars.
Camera wars.
That's it.
That's where it is.
Right, this is further than I've got to before. Because we're heading down. I can see the path heading down beside the river. Sinclair's been here before with Julie during the summer. A couple of summers ago, I think. So I'll show you the path. Plenty water. 30 minutes to go. That's me at the top. Don't think we're getting any higher up than this. There's Sinclair, you can make him out. Yeah. Still can't see the loch. Hiding over there. That looks absolutely spectacular. Superb. Worth the effort. Right, let's get to this loch. Weather's come in a wee bit. No matter. We're here. We're here and we're staying here tonight. I think. Great stuff. Let's have a look. And there it is all of a sudden. It just hits you. There it is. Fantastic. Superb. Right, I'll wait for Sinclair because he says he knows a good pitch spot. Can you see him yet? We'll be coming over that ridge soon. The snow's on. Well, it smells like sleet, unfortunately. Snow would be good, but I think it's more sleety. Right, I'll just wait here. What a view, mate, eh?
What a view, mate.
Looks a bit different for the summer, I would imagine.
Oh, it's bright.
Fantastic.
This is it.
Worth it, eh?
Oh, aye. I mean, me and Julie camped in there, it looks like a bog now.
It looks like a bog. I was looking there and I think, no, it looks like a bog. So that's that spot, so we need to find somewhere else.
I think somewhere a bit sheltered. I mean, this is going to continue now.
Aye.
We'll need a respite for that now, but
Aye.
we'll see what happens. So I'm going to just take a wee break now.
Aye, take a wee break, mate.
And then hopefully I'll get a bit clearer.
Aye.
And they'll let pick the tent up and wet.
Right.
We're going to need to find a pitch.
Find a pitch is the first thing, really. If you want to take 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and then we'll try and find a pitch.
Yeah.
Aye, that was a camp spot, but it's a bog. Looks like a bog for here. Aye. Aye, it'll need to be somewhere. It'll need to be somewhere, yeah.
Let's get some video in as well while we're here.
Aye. Right, good stuff.
Suddenly you're there, eh?
Yeah, I know, it just appeared. I was thinking I had to walk a wee bit further and then it just
I couldn't
hits you.
I actually couldn't remember.
I was thinking of pitching here. Thing is, I'm getting the full blast. I'm at the high exposed point, so I'll get the full blast if the wind comes in. So I might head down where Sinclair is. It's far from ideal there. There's a wee strip that's not a total bog, so I'll let Sinclair pitch his tent first and I'll see what I've got left. I usually get the leftovers. I'm not talking about Sinclair, I'm talking about every time I go camping. I let people go first. I'm a wee bit, as I say, I'm a wee bit less fussy. I'm just more, I think I'm a wee bit more used to discomfort, to be blunt. So I'll let Sink get the first jobby. I'll get the second jobby. That's the pitch spot. Beside the path, unfortunately, but there's another. That's an idea of how boggy the ground is. That's an extreme bog, but it's just a big bog. A big bog, unfortunately. So that's what you need to do, as I keep saying, you just need to make do. We're not getting a view of the loch, but that's it. Tents are up, that's it. That's the rain on again, so I need to get in. Got my down jacket on. Need to get back in, get my waterproof on. Hopefully the forecast is right, it's going to be not too bad tomorrow morning. I'll get more footage of the Corrie. Heat my hot chocolate up in the tent porch. We're boiling the water. tried it with always like having the fly door opened, but it's just the stove. It's just as soon as I light it, it's getting blown out. So I have to do it in here. But I'm alright. I'm safe. Just need to be careful when you're using stoves in your tent. I'm very careful. But anyway, it's worth it for some hot chocolate. 7 PM. I was just about to go to the tent there. Been in the tent for about an hour. I said I'll put my wet socks back on and I'll just have half an hour or an hour outside. But as soon as I get the first boot on, the rain started again. Now you might not hear it with the sound of the river, but no, it's on drizzle. There's no point getting wet again. So it's just tent time from now on to tomorrow. That's what happens. That's what happens when you can't weather chase. You know, I've got to just make a day to go out and that's it. Whatever the weather is, I just need to go out and that. I don't have the chance to just chase the weather. Right, I've nothing really else to say. I'm going to try and take more footage of the Corrie tomorrow. Hopefully it's a decent day. That's the forecast, a slightly better day than today. So I'll catch you later on. Catch you in the morning. Good night. Morning folks, it's 8ish. Sinclair's packed. I've got 15 minutes to go. I might take some footage before I pack my tent away. It was clear in the top of the mountains there up until 10 minutes ago. It's misted over a wee bit at the top. You still get a great view of the Corrie. Right, I'll let you have another look this morning. There's the loch, small loch. Small loch. Big view. This lens is not wide enough to really capture it all, to be honest. Yeah, another scope. My hands are getting freezing. No glasses, no. Fantastic. Right folks, that's all I can do. My hands are burning. Sinclair's packed his tent, so he'll start getting cold. I'm still to get my tent away. So that's another one. It's another good trip. Unfortunate what happened to Sinclair, he'll tell you in his video. Anyway, it was looking pleasant. It was looking pleasant. Looking pleasant a minute ago, but it's changing a wee bit. Right, okay folks, I'll catch you for the next one.